Hello, greetings and hi, thank you for tuning in and it's great to have you with us.
Hello.
Herwig Grabner from Ledermax in Austria is my guest. And a week or two ago, we gave you the opportunity to ask questions directly to Herwig. Everything related to leather, cleaning, care, repairs. You had the opportunity on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And there was a question now that we can probably answer very briefly. Because it simply relies on the fact that it is not yet known what all you have. Exactly. Because the question was from the GT Sirocco, are there larger sponges for leather cleaning than the commercially available ones, so that one doesn't always have to work with the small ones?
Yes, there are, you could say. Simple answer. So we have two sizes in the range. Exactly, there is the small sponge, which is also included in the sets and is 50 ml.
I believe that's where it comes from.
Maybe he got the set and it contains the small 100 ml sponges, while the large sponges are included starting from the 250 ml set. However, they can also be purchased individually. So these sponges, both the applicator sponges and the cleaning sponges, are available separately.
Exactly, they are around $2, that one is around $1.
Often it is even the case that we have free shipping for orders over 30 euros, so people take the 100 ml set and maybe add one or two sponges. This way, they exceed the 30 euros and save on shipping costs.
Honestly, they are so affordable. It's definitely worth having several of them. Exactly. So that's a clear, quick answer. The dimensions of the smaller one are 4 by 4 cm. You see, it is square, about 8 or 7 to 8 cm, and the larger one is 4 centimeters high. What did we say? 8. No. 10 centimeters long, 4 centimeters high, and starting from 8 centimeters long.
I think it's 6. Wait a moment, let me check. Or 7. I believe it's 7. 7 times 10 times 4, that should be it. We could measure that again.
Yes, we can measure that as well, but so that you are not unsure.
But if you look at the Ledermax AT site, the dimensions are specified exactly. I don't have it in my head right now.
Exactly. So in terms of size, it is almost the size of the scrub pad surface, and it is then correspondingly smaller.
Well, I would say that the size of the large sponge fits nicely in my hand. I wouldn't make it any bigger.
No, absolutely not.
The small one is indeed optimal for steering wheels and so on.
Steering wheel seat surfaces.
Exactly. I believe both sponges are justified. I think there is an even larger one.
So my recommendation is, if you get the set that includes the small ones, also get a large one. Or vice versa, if you get the large set and it comes with a large one, also get the small one. Having both would be great. Alright, I think we've answered the question about faith briefly and concisely. I'll cross that out. In the next video, we'll address the next question. As always, you have the final word first.
Stay healthy, keep your spirits up, and we'll see each other. Bye-bye.